Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ratna Beauty. This video is about everyday makeup tutorial. Without any further ado, please let's get started. So I already moisturized my face. So the first thing I'm going to do before foundation, you guys already know, is applying a primer. And the primer I'm going to be using today is Classic Makeup USA Mattifying Face Primer. I've learned so many things about this life. In this life, you have to take things easy because life is too short. You don't want to take life so hard that you misbehave, hurt people, and then death come and you leave and you leave a negative mark behind.
When you leave a negative mark behind, please, who will mourn you?
People will just rejoice over your death. So that is why in this life, just take everything easy because it's too short. Live your life perfectly well. Leave a good mark behind, not a bad one that people will be rejoicing that you are dead. Imagine that kind of a thing. So please guys, live a good life. So after my primer have set in, I'm going for my foundation. I'm using Milani Conceal Plus Perfect foundation in the shade Chestnut. That's 13. As I was saying, with everything that is happening in this life, you don't want to leave a negative impact behind because you don't know when your time will be up. Leave a positive impact. This life is too short. Live your life as if this is your last. Live your life as if this is your what? Your last. Because you don't know the time you are going to go. You don't know the time you are going to go. And you don't know the time your loved one are going to go. So, live an impactful life. Live an impactful life. It's not so difficult. If it is 1 naira that you have today, and you see somebody that is in need of that 1 naira, share with them. With everything going around the world right now, all we need is kindness. Kindness and love. Kindness and what? We need kindness and love. Don't be too selfish. Don't live for your life alone. Let others benefit from you. You don't have to be a millionaire before you make an impact in life. As in, before you make a footprint. You don't have to be a millionaire to do that. Even with the little thing you have, you can as well impact someone. It might be knowledge, it might be counsel, it might be advice, it might be in terms of money. Just do something right. Just do something right. Not because of today, it's because of tomorrow. You don't know where your children will be tomorrow. You don't know where they will be tomorrow or who they will meet tomorrow. Definitely they will, at times in their lives, needs help. So all you have to do is that the help you can render in your own lifetime, do it. do it, and it pays a lot. If you are not rewarded now, maybe your children might be rewarded in the future. So after my foundation, I'm going for my eyebrow, and I'm using eyebrow pencil today. I'm using LA Girl and Davis eyebrow pencil. Today I'm doing my makeup in a different way. I started off with my foundation first, but before I usually start up with my eyes first before my face. But today I'm doing my face first before my eye. But I actually want to get this eyebrow done before anything else.
As I was saying about life the other time, what I'm trying to say is that as you are rendering help to others, as you are taking care of others, showing kindness and love to others, please and please don't neglect yourself. You need to be taken care of too. So please don't neglect yourself. It's very important because this life is too short. All you have is now. Don't take it for
LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to clean my eyebrow. And I'm using my flat brush.
For those that are still struggling in creating and shaping their eyebrows, it is for your sake that I'm doing this everyday makeup tutorial. I'm doing it in full face so that you can learn the step by step of how to shape and create your eyebrows. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Good luck, guys. After applying and clearing up my brows with the concealer as I'm doing in this video, I'm going to take up my beauty blender and blend all those concealer out like so. I don't know if I'm making sense.
So after my foundation and the eyebrow is set, I'm going for my eyeshadow. Since it is everyday look that we are creating today, I'm not going to use too much eyeshadow today. We want to make it natural as possible. I don't know if I'm making sense. So I'm going for my eyeshadow base. And the eyeshadow base that I'm going for right now is Tara Eyeshadow Primer. Tara Eyeshadow Primer.
This eyeshadow primer is highly pigmented. A little goes a long way. I only apply little on my brush. See how pigmented it is on my face.
Next is my eyeshadow, and I'm using this shade for my transitioning shade. This period we are in, we need to show some kindness. If you see anyone in need, if you are capable of helping the person, do it. Do it. To pack it in this color right here. Remember, we are going for everyday makeup look. I'm going to pack it to the outer V and a little to my inner corner. So I'm going for a black shadow to complement it. Then I'm going to blend everything all out with that 4 shade so that there won't be any harsh line whatsoever.
Please ignore those car on. The devil is a liar.
So after that, I'm going for this gold eyeshadow right here. I'm going to apply it with my finger.
Also, try to check your loved one time to time because it's very important. You don't know what they are passing through or what they are going through. Checking on them once in a while is very important so that you won't have any regrets in this life because life is too short.
Yes. Then lastly, I'm going for my eyeliner. I'm using Rimmel Party Queen eyeliner. Next, I'm going for my mascara. And the mascara I'm going to be using today is Kiss Beauty 8XL Mega Impact Mascara. I don't know if you can see it very well. So I'm going to be applying my mascara all over my lashes.
Oh my god, I just messed up my lashes with the mascara. No problems, I'm going to rectify that. Also, again, what I learned about life is that when you fall, you will surely rise again. So, guys, never give up.
No lashes today. This is everyday look for those that don't want eyelashes. So this look is as simple as anything. So we are going to apply our concealer. I'm using Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn.
Next, I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend out my concealer that I used to highlight my face. I'm using this Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set everywhere I highlighted on my face.
We're going to dust off this excess lashes. Excess powder.
In this video, if you notice, I didn't contour my cheekbone at all. The cheekbone just chisel out itself while I use my setting powder to set everywhere I highlighted. So that's one tips for you to chisel out your cheekbone without contouring. So I'm only using this Usha contour palette powder to set up that my cheekbone. Then I'm using the same Usha contour powder palette to set up the rest of my face. I'm using the first two shadows to connect my under eye with my eyeliner to smoky it out. I'm applying my Rimmel gel liner in Party Queen to my waterline. Using Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Glow number 04 to sparkle out my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my lip.
My lip liner to line up my lips.
Using my Romantic Shiny Matte Lipstick in the shade number 02, which is nude. Finally, it's time to spray and set the face. I'm using Classic Makeup USA Mist and Fix to set all my makeup. And here comes the final look of this video.
So guys, here is the final look of everyday makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. You can see it's everyday look. It's simple, natural. Rock it anywhere you want to go, either for a meeting, an office. Rock it like that. So it's neutral and it's simple. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If this video have been helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. It's free, guys. Comment down below. I'll be in the comment section to reply to all your comments. In my next video, guys, I will see you all very soon. Stay beautiful, stay elegant always. Bye guys.